Okay, this is the Port 671 engine on the 38 Hatteras, and we're about to start it up. This engine's only got about 600 hours on it. Need a little refreshing, but it's basically like a new engine inside. Runs like a top. So here we go. Push the start button. Immediately drop it down to idle. I only got enough fuel in here to run it for a very short period. Got oil pressure. Runs like a top. See what's going on out back. It's a foggy day, but the exhaust is totally clean. We'll shut it down. Beautiful. Runs very good.